Hello everybody. Today I am going to talk about how to learn spoken English. Actually, in this session we are not going to learn spoken English. In fact, in a session like this, it is impossible. So you will be given only some tips, some insights so that you can start first and then improve your speaking English. Okay? Friends, you know English is very important language. It is studied and spoken all over the world. In our country too, it is very popular. Time to time it has been opposed by few organizations in our country, but you can see even today it is very popular in India. Friends, if you live in a big city, you know much about English medium schools. Basically, two types of schools are found in our country: Hindi medium and English medium. The number of English medium schools is very high in our big cities, but our small cities and towns have less English medium schools. I believe almost all the rich people in our country like to send their children to only these English medium schools, but the poor have to send their children to Hindi medium. Friends, even if these English medium schools are considered better for getting good education, but unfortunately they are unaffordable for the poor. Friends, this is a problem. But it seems the government has started to take notice to this problem. Perhaps you know, to provide similar opportunities to the poor students, especially for the students living in rural areas. Our state government has announced recently to convert some of its schools into English medium. I know a survey was conducted to recognize the school to be converted, and other process is going on. Friends, now I come to the main topic. My topic is how to be a good English speaker. Friends, I believe if you have about 3,000 words commonly used, you are immaculate. I mean, you know how to use these 3,000 words into sentences. And if you know a little English grammar, I am sure you can speak English well. Friends, I want to make it clear here one thing, that in this session I am not an English teacher and you are not students. You are not sitting in your classroom and studying any difficult subject. You can feel you are sitting with your friend outside and you are enjoying, you are fully allowed. You can behave with me just like a friend. Okay, friends, let's go forward. If you want to be a good English speaker, I'm sure it is impossible if you speak it at times, because English is your second or third language. You have studied it at your school. Surely it is not spoken at your home. Surely it is not spoken on the street. So if you want to speak it fluently, you need practice more and more. Without practice, it is impossible for you to be a good English speaker. So I can say, if you want to be a good English speaker, what you need to do first is you should choose a partner, sit with him and start speaking English without any preparation, without any fear in your mind what you are speaking is grammatically correct or incorrect. If you speak fearfully English, it is impossible for you to be a good English speaker. So you should always English fearlessly, even incorrect English. I don't want to say you should speak always in incorrect English. So at the same time, you should learn the correct thing so that you can improve your language. When you sit with your friend at your home, how to start your speaking, it is also very difficult. You should choose, first of all, before starting your discussion, you should choose a topic, very simple topic, a very common topic. You should choose a topic, a thing you see every time around you. You can make your topic any place you go every day, like your school, like the market. You can make your topic any of your teacher you like most or you dislike him. It doesn't matter. Friends, after choosing the topic, now you need to develop ideas about it. Without developing ideas, it is really difficult to speak upon a topic. If you don't develop ideas, the question is what you are going to speak. No doubt, you can speak a few sentences, but very soon you will be stopped. Very soon you will be silent. So you must develop ideas. And here I want to give you a tip. It is your first day in your speaking. Both you and your partner should try to make at least 5 questions about your topic first, and then try to give answer to all the 5 questions. Here it may be some differences between you and your partner, but friends, don't be worried. Rather, it will provide you further chance to discuss much upon your topic. In this way, your discussion will go ahead. Friends, it was the Formula 1 for how to be a good English speaker. If you want to much improve your language and your speaking, to read a newspaper and magazine is also good. Is also very good. In the beginning, you can read the news column only because they are usually in a very simple language. If you want to read a magazine in the beginning, you can choose a magazine especially for the children. First, book reading is also an useful way to widen your range of vocabulary. You should read loudly, at least 1 page daily. You will see it is very helpful in your speaking. Not only you should read loudly, but also you should record your voice so that you can hear it later. Find your weaknesses and remove them from your speaking. Friends, to develop your knowledge and make sure your speaking to listening other is also a very powerful way. For it, you can watch TV program more and more. English debate is a very suitable program for a new English learner. You can see during a debate a number of issues are discussed. It doesn't matter what the topic is. To prove our point, sometimes we have to give example away from the topic.